Good morning, it's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you know from my videos, I always use this baby stool here while I'm working on equipment like lawn mowers, lawn tractors, that kind of thing. And it suits me fine because I'm short and I'm closer to the ground without hurting my back. So this stool has really worked out for me. I had a lot of other stools with wheels on them. They're too high. So if I sit on it, I'll have to bend down to work on mowers, which is not good for your back, right? And I've had the conventional kind with the seat back and all that stuff. I just got a new product from my friends over at VEVOR. This is a saddle stool, which I've never had before. It's probably gonna be really high too, but it's good for working on my truck. We're gonna open it up and put it together. Wow, super fast. I literally put this together in like 3 minutes. Time lapse, it's like 5 seconds. But yeah, this is my first saddle stool. And basically you just hop on it like you're riding a horse or something. You know what I mean? It's a saddle. So the side one over here, you pull on it, right? And you could rotate forward a little. And you can also go back. It's a little precarious at the beginning, but you following what I'm saying? Forward and back. To pivot, if you're doing something over here, your groin doesn't get a lot of pressure, if you know what I mean. So you can rotate it forward if you're leaning there. And then this is back again. Also, as you can see, this is the highest setting, and my feet are pretty much off the ground, you know? Rotates very smoothly and effortlessly. The lowest setting, there's a lever right on the bottom here, and it goes down to here. So this is pretty good, you know? I think this one might be my new stool. And stand up and it raises all the way to the top. And you can lower it slowly if you want, or an inch at a time. Shock absorbers. While we're on the subject of VEVOR, they sent me a new OBD2 car or truck diagnostic scanner tool. It's what everybody needs. You need to find out what that darn check engine light is about. So what's in the box? KW480. Wow. Fancy schmancy. Ooh. Ah. VEVOR. I have a lot of things from VEVOR. They have some really great stuff. Tens and thousands of things on their website. Go check it out. You're guaranteed to buy something. Instructions. Data cord, regular USB. It's not a charger because it is powered by your car when you plug in this OBD2 cable. Serial port to your module underneath your dashboard. So if you have that pesky check engine light on and you have no idea why, instead of going to the local garage or your dealership to have them scan your vehicle and do a diagnostic, it may cost you $100, $150 just for them to tell you what's wrong with your car. Then you have to decide whether or not you want to have them fix it. And usually it's very expensive. With an OBD2 diagnostic tool for your car, you can find out what the code is yourself. And then if it's something you could do, you could fix it yourself and save a lot of money. Let's go connect this into the OBD2 port of my vehicle, and we'll see what we find. So this is my 2010 Ford F-150 Super Crew pickup truck. I've always had a P130 and a P150 code that comes up on scanners. It comes and goes, so I never really pay attention to it. It's an oxygen sensor fault. While the check engine light sometimes comes on, you drive it for a while and it goes away. Not too sure if it's on or off right now, but we're gonna hook this up and we expect to see a 130 and a 150. And hopefully we don't find any other codes. So under your dash somewhere, you're gonna find an input for your OBD2 module. That's it right there. And you simply connect the module right to it. And as you can see, it lights up some. So you do have to start up your engine for it to do the diagnostic. So there we go, the engine is on, and we're gonna go ahead and say okay on the OBD2. OBD2 diagnosis. Okay. And now it's processing. How about that? We don't have any codes. Oh, it doesn't. You can erase codes and see if they come back after you fix something. Readiness, you have a data stream for real-time data. Freeze frame, so you can capture what you see on the screen. We can do an O2 sensor test. And then you can go to vehicle information, press OK. And it tells you all the information about your car. Here we have a battery check. Ooh, look, you can print your data with that cord that was included. You attach it and you can print your data. Battery check. Normal battery voltage, good battery status, charging at 14.2 volts, so you know that your alternator's working. And if you don't know what code it is, here's a DTC lookup. Like I said, I always get the P0130 and 150. And I know that that is a sensor for the oxygen. See, O2 sensor, circuit bank 1, sensor 1. So very useful tool if you want to diagnose your vehicle. And as you can see, I do not have a check engine light on. But when you do, you know what to do. So there you go, another 2 great products from VEVOR. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out the saddle stool and also your OBD2 diagnostic scanner tool.
Ah, we don't gotta turn it up.
Oh, shit! Oh, that's great! I got that on video!
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.